In my formative years of education, I embraced the foundational 3 R's: reading, writing, and arithmetic. However, as of late, I find myself going through a process of re-education. The pillars of my old 3 R's have crumbled, replaced by the new 3 R's: race, religion, royalty. To commemorate 42 years of my education, both formal and informal, thereafter, I've depicted my journey through stamps, symbolic of an outdated system, reminiscent of the values of my childhood. Through this artwork, I reflect on the evolution of my education and the impact on the way I perceive the situation today. I depicted my journey by cutting up stamps, and piece by piece, I glue them into something else. Is there a way to go back to simpler times, when we were not distracted by the fear of random people putting things in our phones? Is there a way back to building things slowly, piece by piece, step by step, one moment at a time?